The Spigen Bezel Tune Pro for Galaxy Watch Ultra 47mm combines a stainless steel bezel with a sturdy polycarbonate shell to give the watch a noticeably more premium feel and serious protection. Its aviation-inspired styling adds a classic tool watch character that makes the Galaxy Watch Ultra look less like a gadget and more like a traditional timepiece. The integrated case and bezel ring wrap the watch in full coverage, helping to guard against scrapes, bumps, and everyday wear without feeling overly bulky on the wrist. Installation is straightforward thanks to the included removal tool and extra adhesive strips, so the bezel sits securely without shifting during workouts or daily use. Once installed, the cutouts line up well with the Galaxy Watch Ultra buttons and rotating bezel area, preserving normal operation and access to all functions. For owners of the 2025 and 2024 Galaxy Watch Ultra 47mm models, this version fits precisely and pairs nicely with metal bands for a cohesive, high-end look.